video editors are panicking in 2020
because of the
Over the last few years, AI, artificial intelligence, has changed the way videos are being edited. Today, AI can even cut clips, generate audio, or even create videos from just text prompts. But does that mean that AI will replicate video editors? No, not completely. You can use AI for silence removal, auto captions, and selecting best moments. While you use your creativity for storytelling, emotional impact, music selection, and varieties of other things.
Think about a cinematic vlog, a music video, and filmmaking. All that can be done like but AI doesn't understand the story and the effects that should be added in the story. So as video editors, it's my best advice is that we should use AI as an assistant, not as our main workflow.